What's up?
So he
A scary movie is on and there's lots of blood.
What scary movie is it?
7 years, maybe 8 years
It's that
later.
one with all the masks.
The Strangers.
Headlock in a party.
The Strangers.
That I'm gonna die and take my last breath.
What are we making for breakfast here, Nick?
Just a little biscuits and gravy and hash browns and fried eggs.
How many film things did you buy?
We got some biscuits going. These are ready to come out, bud.
We got 6 more.
Where's your... No, you don't. They're ready. Where's your hot pads?
Dad,
6 more minutes. These things will be black.
True.
What's up, buddy?
how many film things did you find? Did you
Try to
get
ride
right?
the top.
I think I got 20 more for you. Boom. They're good. Believe me, I was a chef in the Marines. I can tell those are done just by looking at them. Smells good. No. They put weird times on the packaging because they want you to burn them so you buy more.
Well, I was bored this morning, so I was watching
Morning.
Morning. The biscuits smell so good. I was watching.
Yeah, they just came out of the oven.
And I was watching like Kindle snowboard.
Holy cow.
It's like it's so legit. Yeah, and they've been doing it for the life, so they've had lessons. Yeah, it says Kim's had lessons since she was 3. Yeah. And it's smart. It's like my kids out of school. Why don't I take them to go get snowboard lessons and shit like that?
Sunday morning breakfast. Hello friends and welcome to another fun-filled week with Edward Grable Studios. I'm Eddie Grable. God bless you and thanks for watching. I'd like to start off by saying this channel was made to help educate and inform people as well as entertain and also give the woodworking artists here a spotlight to showcase their work. I'm just looking to showcase the work that these people are doing. A recent post of mine on Facebook got a few angry reactions and it was because of Taylor Swift. I don't want the Swifties out there coming after me, so I'm just here trying to inform the people about her and possible Illuminati affiliation. This past weekend, she won a trophy. I said she'd be holding a trophy. I meant the Super Bowl trophy, but she held another trophy. She won another Grammy. They don't just give those awards away to anyone. They give them to the people who are affiliated with the people at the top. She is working for them. She is pushing their agenda. That agenda is the 2030 agenda. She's helping control the masses. You don't have to take my word for it. You can look into it for yourself, but they use subharmonics and stuff that are not hearable to the human ear. They put them in their tracks, and they're there to make people feel a certain way. It's like MK Ultra mind control. Now you might be saying that's a conspiracy. No, it's not. So the new Obama movie, Leave the World Behind, has an audio track that can't be heard, but it's put there to make you feel a certain way. If you felt uneasy during that movie, there was a reason, and it was because of that audio track and because of the visuals going on in that movie. It's some pretty scary stuff. Taylor Swift uses the same harmonics and also her words to make people feel a certain way. And I'm just trying to draw light to that. Also, she is endorsing Biden, our joke of a president. And she's notoriously famous for having bad taste in men, so that should tell you something. I wish her nothing but the best in her current relationship because everyone deserves someone to love. All I was doing was trying to direct you to open your eyes a little bit because there's an agenda at play, the 2030 agenda. If you don't know about that, check it out. I'm ready to get started with the woodworking. So come on, let's go get to work. We're moving right along to E and F. Go cut this bad boy. Beach ya! You want me to hold it? Yeah. Line it up. Get a little transition. You know how you can do when you go like this and then it switches frames?
Yeah.
I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I did one in this video where the camera falls over and I'm editing a clip where it's falling into water.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I got it from Jaden Morris. You ever heard of her?
Jaden Morris?
She's a sailor. She just turned 18. She's traveling the world. She's a chemical designer right now. I took one of her clips because she does a lot of underwater stuff. Yeah, they live the life. They just sail around the world. They're in the water, fishing.
You're up, buddy. Might as well roll into your shot. What's this gonna be for? I don't know yet. We'll see. This is like abstract art, Jeff.
Thanks for noticing.
I'm not doing this right. Cut, 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 cut. Don't mind my handwriting. I've always had terrible handwriting. Something to do with that creative brain. Alright, G and H are next. Shouldn't have to move the saw blade much. It should be similar to my last cuts. We'll see. Tight, see? Sticking a little bit. I just need to shave off the slightest bit. Oh, and over here, it's not even going in over here. So, let's shave. Cut this one, maybe. Yeah, if it comes back far enough. I'll cut this one, and then
like shave off a little bit more. Let's just do this way. It'll be much easier. Voila.
Because from Boston.
G and H. That's it. You got them all. Next, I have to cut these to size for my backs. There. So I gotta do height and width. I'm gonna take J here. Line it out. Let's take it for a rip. Well, looks like that's good. Excellent! Oh, I just gotta cut it right about there somewhere. I'm gonna go big so I can sneak up on it.
Oh, you kind of snuck up on me there.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
As Zach would say, sneaky, sneaky.
Jeez, I'm crow. How'd you get down here so fast?
Sneaky, sneaky, sir. Right this way.
So I'm gonna cut fatter than I need to. More generous. Sorry, don't want to offend anyone. How's it going, Steve? I'm doing good. Noah? I'm going. All right. She's gonna be a little thick. That's intentional. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky, sneak.
Sneaky, sneaky, sir.
Made a little mark. Fine social video.
Sneaky, sneaky, sir.